Well, what you mean to say is, however this comes out is exactly how I meant for it.
That's right.
That's right.
And we also thank Gil and Coco a lot.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. When my heart and mind divide, dividing the civil war, I remember all the lies both sides have told.
I remember all the lies
they've told before. I decide not to decide forevermore.
I decide not to.
I decide forevermore. There's a creature in the casket of your dying mind, planting seeds where your daisies will grow. In a soul of your toils and your dark despair, leafless trees sprout up from your lifeless bones. There's a monster at the bottom of your cold, cold heart, and he drinks all the blood in your veins, until all that is left you are the hardest parts. You're the stone on your own soul's grave. What kind of stone cast its curses at the sky? There was a time that you cried hallelujah by and by. Now you cower in the corners of your mind. I bet come down from your horse up in the sky. No one else can do right in your condescending eyes. When you fail, you claim there's no such thing as right. I bet come down from your high horse, for the fire runs its course. Where you're bound, there's no other way to drown. I bet come down from your high horse, for the fire runs its course. Where you're bound, there's no other way to drown. When my heart and mind divide, dividing civil war, I remember all the lies both sides have told.
I remember all the lies
They've told before. I decide not to decide forevermore. I decide forevermore.